MilesTek has launched a new series of mil standard 1553 cable assemblies with low smoke, zero halogen jackets for use in military and industrial applications. These new cable assemblies were specifically designed to address confined space connectivity applications. Typically used in poorly ventilated areas, low smoke, zero halogen cable jackets are very popular with military contractors and in any application where it is critical to protect people and equipment from toxic and corrosive gases in the event of a fire. The cables are available in 78 ohm twinaxial and 50 ohm triaxial versions and feature a variety of connector options. These new cables are in stock and available for immediate shipment. For more information on these new low smoke, zero halogen cables, please visit MilesTek.com.